everyone, welcome to another video by the Health Technology Club, and in this video we'll be talking a little bit about exercise and how you can use technology to improve your exercise routine. Now, finding and following an exercise routine can be extremely challenging. It's tricky to know what exercises you should be doing and moreover to be motivated to move. However, exercise has endless benefits for you, especially in improving your cardiovascular health. For example, exercise can lower your blood pressure, lessen your risk of developing diabetes, and maintain healthy body weight. It can also improve the muscle's ability to pull oxygen out of the blood, thereby reducing the need for the heart to pump more blood to the muscles. Finally, exercise also reduces your stress hormones, which usually put an extra burden on your heart. Now, with all of these benefits and the added spring sunshine that's coming our way, we at the Technology Club are here to help you find an exercise routine that works for you. Now, although it can be difficult to be motivated or learn how to best move your body, this is where technology can come in to help. We will be first talking about some apps that can help you establish a routine. One of our favorite apps to use is called Strava. This app allows you to track your exercise activities, whether it be walking, running, or cycling, through their GPS system. If you previously used other devices such as an Apple Watch or a Fitbit to track your workouts, this app is perfect as it's able to connect those to your profile as well. Now, the app is available on both iPhone and Android, so both users can access it, and it's also available online at strava.com. To get started, all you need to do first is make an account. Simply enter in your email and a secure password to create your account. Make sure to take note of your password somewhere so that you can access it later and make sure you don't get locked out of your account if you do forget. Now, let's say you're going out for a walk. To record your walk, all you need to do is press the record button at the bottom of the Strava screen. As you're walking, Strava will show different stats about your walk, such as how many kilometers you've walked, the duration of your walk, and the average pace. This can help you figure out how fast or slow you want to walk, and the built-in map system can also help you plan your route. Now, once you've completed your walk, you can end the activity. The activity will save on your profile and show the stats at the end of the summary. You can choose to make this activity public so that everyone on the app can see, or you can make it public to only your friends that you choose to add to your profile, or finally, completely private where only you can see it. These settings can be changed in the settings feature of the app. Now, after some time of recording different activities, whether that be walking, running, or cycling, your profile will start to show weekly summaries as well. With each activity that's posted, you have the option of adding photos and sharing with your friends, who can also give you virtual kudos on your activities. This makes exercise much more engaging, as individuals often find it more motivating to see what their other friends are doing and what friends and family have been up to. Also, you can choose to join challenges in the app, which will allow you to set more effective exercise goals, and you can even find virtual or in-person upcoming events to join as well. There's also many other exercise apps that you can check out, another one being MyFitnessPal. We won't go through it in detail today, as we have a previous video on our YouTube channel that you can watch that's also made by our team, which explains in detail how to use that app. In addition to tracking exercise, you can actually also track your diet on MyFitnessPal, which is just an added feature to go along with your exercise routine.
To add some variety into your daily exercise routine, head on over to Dr. Curnew's YouTube channel to find some low-impact, bodyweight exercise that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Let's take a closer look at how to navigate the YouTube channel. Using a web browser of your choice, in this case, I'm using Google. Type in YouTube into the search bar, and we're taken to the main YouTube website. In the search bar, type in Greg Curnew. The first result should be Dr. Curnew's YouTube page, which is shown here in the circle. Once you click on it, you're taken to the YouTube page where you can click on Playlists, which the purple arrow is pointing towards, and navigate to the playlist that says Exercise Club Pre-Recorded. You are then shown a series of videos that were made by the volunteers at the clinic. You can choose any one of these to get moving and active. If you're looking to try out more videos, type into the same YouTube search bar, Low Impact Seated Workout. These will pull up a variety of low impact workouts that you can do in a chair. And if you would like to use subtitles or make the video larger, on the bottom right corner of the video, you will see these symbols here. Taking a closer look, the symbol on the far left is for subtitles, and you can click on it to enable the function, and the symbol on the far right is to enable full screen for ease of viewing. If we click on the settings button, the little cog circled here in yellow, then we pull up a variety of options, one of which is to adjust the speed, so you can slow it down or speed it up if you like. And remember, please consult your primary care physician before engaging in new exercises, and be mindful of your body when performing these exercises, and pause or modify the moves when they become too painful.